मीठे से वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है हो। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है। बनना है संपूर्ण किया बाबा से वादा है। जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। बाबा हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं इंतजार घर ले जाने के लिए आकारी बन करके हम वतन में जाएंगे हम उड़ के चले जाएं ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में उस प्यारे से वतन में उस मीठे से वतन में हो अव्यक्त वतन में हो हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में हो उस मीठे से वतन में
Went to offer bhog to Baba, and while offering I gave Baba everyone's love remembrances, and Baba also lovingly accepted love remembrances, but also was giving drishti to all the children. And Baba really was with lot of love bringing us very, very close to him. And then he accepted bhog with lot of love. Then I said, Baba, everyone has lot of love for you. And we are also very happy. And there is lot of bhavana. Everyone has lot of pull towards you. So while offering bhog, then I say, Baba, from all over, so many roses has been sent for you. Love for you, bhavana for you. And whatever they're celebrating in life, they want to celebrate with you. So Baba also then looked at all the flowers, beautiful flowers. And then Baba said, I am surrounded by living spiritual roses, and also roses, the product of nature. So my spiritual living roses, my children, and then I saw all of you, like flowers are in front, but you all were around Baba. Beautiful scene to see, living spiritual flowers, roses, and these roses. So it was a beautiful garden. Then Baba looked at me, said, my spiritual living roses have lot of fragrance. And what about roses from your world? So I said, I don't know. I didn't smell. I will find out. And then Baba was smiling. Baba said, uh, in Lokik world, Kalyugi world, day by day, everything is becoming artificial and there is no fragrance. Even fragrance is artificial. But my confluence aged children actually have lot of spiritual fragrance of purity, of all beautiful qualities. So then Baba paused for a minute or two. Then Baba said that month of January you all are celebrating for Brahma Baba. So today Baba was asking or that look at the beginning of Brahma Baba's life, then look at the chapters of the middle, and then the last closing chapter. Look at both ways what his spiritual journey and what he was becoming was visible from beginning, then middle, then end, what he became. And also look at that time, what were the external situations, circumstances in the world when Baba started giving message. Baba's Yagya began. So what was in the beginning? And what chapters were during middle and in the end? So look at both his spiritual inner journey and also what was happening in the world outside. So Baba was just saying that and I didn't stop. And then Baba said, compare also your spiritual journey, each one of you, and circumstances, situations in the world outside. So when you will look at Brahma Baba's stage and then compare that, how was your beginning of journey, middle, and now it's the end. So what is your stage or what should be your stage? Or you think that whatever should be my stage is accurate, is perfect. Even according to drama, Baba said yes. But it's a very good way when you all have kept aim to follow the footsteps of Brahma Baba, then you have to look at all three aspects of your spiritual journey and what is happening outside in the world and how you are not only responding, but also how you all are serving. How did Brahma Baba served? What was his spiritual journey? What was stage? So Baba said, more you all will think on that, you will feel yourself very close to Baba. And then Baba said that Brahma Baba always said, remember Shiv Baba. And then Shiv Baba will always give example, look at Brahma Baba. So remembering Shiv Baba, looking at Brahma Baba. So same will happen with you. You will tell everyone to remember Baba, Shiv Baba. And Shiv Baba will say, look at the child. So then Baba said, can Baba say this? I said, I think so. That means Baba was asking if we are ready, that when Baba signal everyone towards each one of us, are we ready in the sense of whether our stage or our face and our sparkle. Mm. So it was a very beautiful way for Baba to tell us that how Brahma Baba signaled to our Shiv Baba to remember you also do that. But then Shiv Baba, because you are signaling, so Shiv Baba has to say, look at the child. Mm. So that is where it says that son shows father. Not only son shows father, but then also mm, you are like your father. So father says, this is my sweet child. And children say, it's my sweet Baba. So very beautifully, very loveful conversation. And of course, lot of then love remembrances for all of you, including those, this time it's all overseas. Someone's birthday, someone's celebration, so many flowers. I think they are from USA, but sent by different Baba's children out of love for Baba. So lots of love remembrances to all of you, and also those who sent love remembrances and offered flowers to Baba. Then Baba gave again very lovely drishti, and Baba said, in the end, you all will have to be merged. Remain merged in Baba's love, and you will really be like lotus flower, untouched. Remain merged, so remain untouched by any kind of vibrations from outside world. That's Baba's blessing for us for today. Om Shanti.